Ah, Auntie Kemi customer. My sister. Ojere. Benny, mom. How is the family? Fine, fine, thank you, mom. You're fine. Okay, okay. Irun ẹ fẹ́ wá ṣe lónìí báyìí. Mo kàn fẹ́ ṣe ọbak ni. Àdìsẹ́yìn. Ọbak péré. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àdìsẹ́yìn. Kó má pọ̀ jù ẹjọ́ ẹ má yẹ kó le. Ẹ má wọrí ara yín. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ọwọ́ mi kò kí ń le àtọ̀. Ó máa ń rọ̀ ni. It's very soft. Yes. Ṣé ṣọ́? Má wọrí ara yín. Ẹ jókòó. Kí n jókòó. Mo ń bọ̀. Ṣé tó gbọ́? Ẹ ṣe mà. Coming! Your hair is full. Okay, mo ń bọ̀. Oh yeah. Me. Thank you, ma. Ọmọdé sùn ó bàjẹ́ gan. Mo dààmú ara mi jọrí. So what you just witnessed right now is what literally goes down in almost every hair salon in Nigeria and Africa. So if you are in that kind of situation, if you see someone that's about to make your hair, your thick hair, bringing out a small comb, or even if it's a large comb, just carry your bag, carry your slippers, and run. So today I'll be using my hair as a perfect example in its state of dryness, and I will be working on making cornrows with my hair by myself. I'm going to make it like this without stretching it actually. So before we go right into it, you can just hit that subscribe and like button straight away so you don't forget. Thank you. Okay, before you jump right at making your hair yourself, just get it at the back of your mind. It's not easy, especially cornrows. I don't know, for other stuff it's very easy, because for me cornrows has been like one of the most difficult styles to do on my hair, because for me it's just like no matter how simple or easy I go, it's always still like dogging this pressure from everything. But it's also a protective style if you did it the right way, and I'm just naturally tender-headed. But anyways, I'm still gonna be doing it. I just feel like doing it. It just happens like once or twice in a year when I actually feel like making cornrows, and it's already this time of the year, so this year is not gonna be an exception. Anyways, just get your hands ready. Make sure you're properly fed because you're gonna be expending a lot of energy. But you can actually do it. I'll do it right now. I'll do it right in front of you, and that should be enough inspiration for you to pick up whatever instrument you need, especially your hands, and do yourself too. All right. So this might actually take a while because naturally I do not like using combs because I feel like my fingers can do most of the detangling that I actually need, and comb like just exerts too much tension on my hair, which I would try like really love to avoid. Anyways, so yeah, I would be using most importantly my fingers to detangle, but I'm going to use something to like just part my hair. This is what to know in a natural hair journey, okay? You're not trying to pursue perfection or neatness, okay? It doesn't really matter if it's going to come at the expense of the health of your hair or the pressure you're exerting on your hair and everything, then it should be discarded. For me, I really do not mind like if my hair is not so neat, and I always like to go for the styles that very rough or like gets nicer when it's like more rough, especially like the Marley braids. I use the Marley extensions a lot of time. So today I'll be making cornrows. It's gonna look like cornrows obviously. I don't know how it's going to like be like. I don't know if I'll be adding any style or anything. And that will all depend on whether I get frustrated or not. But I'll be taking you through the process all together and you'll be seeing everything. So I'm ready. So part one done. I just finished detangling my hair. So this is one part of the process you should never actually skip because it's gonna help in a way. If you'd like, you can actually use a comb, but I prefer not to make it as minimal as possible because I'm still going to experience tension on my hair later on, and I've never started braiding yet. So I just like finger detangled, and I used my hibiscus leave-in spray with my butter, which I made. They're all in my channel, so you can actually do them yourself. Anyways, I'm just gonna be parting my hair and starting already. So what I like to do when I want to part my hair is to first use this thick blunt end, and then I go ahead with this to make it more precise. Either ways, they won't be as neat as they should, which is fine because my hair is not blown out and it's probably even going to like shrink. So one hack is for you to use your hand to like just roughly find the size you want to use first before you use any comb. So this is the thing about natural hair most people don't understand. It's that you can't put a comb into it just like straight away. It just won't pass through. I mean, we see videos online where people like just, I don't know how to do it, but you actually like see creators just, putting like straight, like, ow, it's, I can't do that. I don't know, but I can't. Even if my hair is properly combed, it still won't do that. Okay, it's just like a forest. You have to like pave your way yourself. It won't come like that. But I mean, that's the beauty of it. There's no need to be ashamed of that. It just teaches you patience. After making sure you've properly detangled your hair, by detangling, you can try to, put your hand through it and see if it's going to go through. You won't get it 100%, but just make sure because it's going to help you, when you start, like braiding. So to start, you want to make sure that you don't start directly from your edges. I mean, you're gonna take your edges too, but you try to like do like a brush. I'm going to try to explain, like, you don't start directly from where your hair start, like just start braiding from this, but you try to like put your hand back a bit and also release your hand. See, this is like too much tension already, so release your hand as much as possible. And you remember, this hair is supposed to be a protective style, so it should cause the minimal tension on your hair. You want to avoid tension as much as possible. So you take three. You have to, the first ones have to be like really small. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you'd just pull one ear, one with your index finger. Put your index and your middle finger, and then your fourth finger, your ring finger, should be under the hair for the first strand per se. So like just put it like this, and this is the middle part, right? This is the middle section. Put your index finger inside like this. This is the last one, and this should be at the back. If you don't get it at the first try, it's okay. I'm gonna be showing you for everything I'll be doing today. So let's try it again. The first strand, the first section should be your index finger and your middle finger should be above it. Then your two other fingers, your ring finger and your little finger, should be below it. So it's gonna go, so you take it like this. First your index finger, then your middle finger follows, and then the rest should be at the back. Then take the middle section. This is the This is the middle section right here. You take the middle section like this, should be above only your index finger, and then the last one should go below your index finger. All right, so you go like this, like that, and then this middle part again, it's gonna go right. So you just keep like twisting it, like twisting the positions of them. This one goes again, and then it keeps like intertwining into each other. You keep braiding into each other basically. So when you're dealing with not stretched or thick natural hair, you have to be really careful because they tend to like, just tangle together, not like twist together, not tangle together. So just keep going slowly and slowly. Just then you keep adding like little air from the rest of the hair as you keep going steadily. It's okay if you don't get it now. I'll show you again. Keep making sure everything is out of the way. You're taking as all the strands as possible, but also do not make it tight from the roots at all. Just keep braiding down. Last section, you just braid like normal. But make sure you like stretch it out. It's gonna shrink, but so you won't have tangles when you're taking the style down. So this is a simple way to just like first, second, and third. The first one should be like this. Your middle finger, and your index finger above the first one. The middle one, your index finger above it, and the last one, your index finger below it. So once you've got that, just try to replicate the movement of my fingers. Remember not to pull out your hair. Finally, you're down to the last part of the hair. At the moment, I can't feel any tension on my head. Eventually, did 10 strands, or like this is a 10th cornrow, basically. If you notice at the back, I try to not let it get to the end at all because I don't want it to like start pulling once I like bend my neck. So I can't believe we're finally done. And actually, we took less than 2 hours. I don't know how that was possible, but this is like the fastest time I've ever done my hair myself, and I'm so proud of myself. By the way, I can't actually even feel any tension or anything. I hope I've inspired you because I also inspired myself. Like, I just keep getting better every year, which makes sense. So it is fine if you don't get it like 100% the first time you try it. There's always room for improvement. Even like right now, my my parts are not like perfect, but it's okay. I mean, you don't have to attain that perfection. It does there. It's not really necessary. It looks like cornrows as and I can't feel any tension as I said, so it's more like a protective style, and I'm not trying to impress anybody, which you should also not. It's your hair, so it's your own individual journey. Okay, it's your course to carry, not someone else's. So if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can always receive notifications when I drop a video every week. So thank you for watching, thank you for staying till the very end, and I'll see you again. Bye.